I'm going to show you how I do my Maryland crab sauce. I use ketchup, mustard, Miracle Whip or mayo, and then a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. My bad. And then you add the Miracle Whip. As you can see how much I added. Then I'm going to add a little bit of mustard. Here's the mustard. About that much. And then you add your Worcestershire sauce. And then you just mix it up until it's like an orange color. Keep mixing. And you add a little bit of Old Bay. You gotta have that. Alright guys, we are back with this highly requested video. This is a seafood mukbang. I went to Costco today and got all of this food, prepared it, and here we are. I did a poll on my Instagram wanting to know, did you guys want us to do a blinded mukbang for seafood, or did y'all want us to do it regular? And the blinded one, let me pull it up.
Did it?
Yes.
By how much?
Let me see. The blinded one by 64%. Can y'all see that? So 64% said blinded. So we have these. So what we're gonna do is we're only gonna be blinded for 10 minutes because I want to be able to eat my food.
5 minutes. Let's do 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, it's gonna take me forever just to try to cook.
Yeah, but you gotta try.
I wanna eat it.
We're gonna eat. So we have our Dos Equis here, y'all. We have our corn on the cob, red boiling potatoes, smoked sausages. We have our lemons, and we have, of course, king crab. Here I have my Maryland crab sauce, which you guys saw in the beginning, how to make this. It's simple, super simple. And then we have a lemon garlic butter sauce right here. So,
Did we still
yum yum.
Is that focus still on auto?
Yeah, it should be. So I'm gonna pour up a beer. Actually, we can split one beer. Look at how big those shrimps are.
It's not focusing on it.
It's not? There we go. You have to hold it longer?
No. That's weird putting beer in glasses.
I know, but I thought those glasses were so cute.
Mm-hmm.
They say Mr. and Mrs.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we gotta blindfold each other. Well,
what can we do for 5 minutes?
No, 10 minutes. I'm gonna start my timer now.
I got this old wash rag.
Wait, I think I should blindfold you and you blindfold me.
It'll just be easier to, cause I'm just gonna tap on. She actually took my scarf. That's my shit from Afghanistan. She bought it to me when, where did you go when you bought me that? Remember?
I don't know.
Was it Kabul?
Maybe. Oh, this is gonna be so hard.
It is.
This is so weird. Okay.
Before we start, give me a kiss. You're not even doing
Your lips feel funny. Okay.
Yeah, see? I'm still on it.
Alright, so, oh, did I start the timer?
I saw you pull it up. See, I'm gonna knock some shit over and then she's gonna be
I didn't start
like,
it. Please don't knock nothing over. Just be gentle.
where's my drink at?
Alright, the 10-minute timer. I hope the camera... I got the 10-minute timer on. So after this 10 minutes, we're gonna eat regular.
Wait, what did you...
So you have to feel around for the stuff.
I forgot what I did with the lemon butter stuff.
You have to feel for it. I feel a potato.
Is it over here though? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, there it is. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we just got this. We all quiet. We just got this table at Walmart.
It's hard. You can't talk and do this.
Yeah, I know. So tomorrow's, that's another week of driving.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
What are you eating?
Crab leg, king crab.
Where's take me to the dipping sauce.
Your dipping sauce is over there, it's on your side.
There's only one Maryland one.
Yeah, I only made it for me. Oh, you want that sauce?
Yeah, what kind of sick shit is that? Ooh, that's my beer. Yeah, I like this.
You can have some of this dipping sauce if you want it. I probably have to make some more.
Where it at?
Hold on, wait a second.
Is it in front of the table? There we go. That shit on point right there.
This is so weird.
Yeah, I don't like it.
But you need to realize and be grateful because some people are blind and they cannot see. Are you eating the one I was eating?
How am I supposed to know? You got scissors?
Feel around for them. Did you spill something over here?
I don't think so. Did you use the scissors?
I'm eating the knuckle.
Pig knuckle. So what did you say you want to talk about? So the...
I can't talk and do this.
Yeah. So what is it? George Bush this past?
Oh yeah, 94 years old.
That's crazy. I don't remember nothing about his reign though. I just remember that his son fought for his oil later in life.
Did you find the scissors?
No, I did not.
I know they're over there on your side.
Are they? Alright, here's my beer.
Ooh. This is really like...
Yeah. I feel like my food's getting cold. That's why I don't like this. I can't find it. You found it?
Yeah.
Put it here.
Hold on, I gotta put my drink down.
You was like, I know they're on your side.
Hold on.
I'm just touching your hand so you know where my hand is.
Okay, but I'm trying to cut into my thing.
Oh.
Be careful.
I thought you was handing it to me. You handing it to me now?
Oh yeah, can y'all see this? I feel it.
Alright, look, I'm gonna put the scissors.
All that beer, y'all cook this in beer.
I don't even remember I cut it right. Oh, there we go. I don't even know. I know I got a big old piece, but I don't know where the camera is.
I know me either.
Ooh, what was that? Where the dipping stuff at?
Are you still in it? You can't do that because I can't fucking feel it. I'm gonna drop it.
You can't feel what? I don't even know what you're talking
See,
about.
this shit'll make a motherfucker frustrated.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Ooh, this tastes so buttery. What?
There was something in my shit. Oh, is the mic on? Did you turn the mic on? Alright. The only reason I asked is I'll be forgetting.
It should be on unless you forgot. Unless you turn,
I didn't turn, yeah, I didn't forget. I didn't turn.
Where the scissors at?
Right here. At the edge of the table. What is this? Is that your arm?
Yeah. What? Now you're getting all this shit all over me.
You chose to do this blindfolded.
You know how to get on somebody's damn nerves.
Look at the attitude with me. I put it where I can find it real quick. It's easy getting on your nerves. You ain't even gotta do much.
How's that garlic butter?
It's good. Yeah, ain't much going on. I'm starting to get back in the gym a little bit. It's real hard. I'm dropping something in a bowl.
In what bowl?
I don't know. I can't see it.
You better make sure it's your bowl and not your cup.
My cup is to my left. Like real close to my left. Like right here. Where that Maryland stuff at? Is it on the right hand side? Oh.
Where's my potato at? You make this.
Are you even doing it? Are you even doing it? In the kitchen game, it's always 90-10. I gotta go 90%, she goes 10%.
Damn, I wonder how long it's been.
Yeah, hey, these shrimps are...
I haven't even had a shrimp. Where are they?
Oh, here. Eat this one then. I didn't... It was...
Are they good?
Yeah.
I wanted them to be tender.
Fuck. Ooh, yeah.
I feel bad. I made the whole pack. I probably shouldn't have.
Did you? Are they on this plate? That because they need to be.
Not all of them.
They still. You took them out of the water so they don't get rubbery.
I cut the heat off,
Okay.
but they're still in the water.
Yeah.
You like it with the garlic butter sauce?
Yeah. No, I prefer. I like to be able to just pick one. But I can't, like, I only have the option of the butter sauce because I know where it is. At least I hope this is it. Ooh.
It's good.
Can
you pass me the garlic butter? Garlic butter sauce? Thank you. Are you digging all the way up in there to get like...
Yeah. Tell me when you let it go.
I'll let it go. Ooh, shit. Damn.
I like when you make that noise.
Fuck. Give me another strap. I found one.
You said you need another one?
I said give me one, but I found one now.
There go another one. These motherfuckers is good.
This is like so...
This is the easiest thing for me to eat blindfolded. That's why I keep eating the shrimp.
Can you pass me that sauce again?
I sure can. Let me finish
Thank you, baby.
Let me doing this. Be careful, my. When I was a kid, you know, if you couldn't catch and shit, they used to say you was Butterfingers.
Is that how you were?
Nah, hell no. I could catch. I still can catch to this day. You know
damn.
What? I did drop some off in here.
Oh, that's the timer.
Oh, thank God. That was 10 minutes? So I take this off?
Hold on. Wipe your hands off first.
For what?
Because you're going to get that shit all over your scarf.
Oh, I'm going to put it in the wash machine. I'm going to use my, I'm going to throw this in the washer after this. Oh, it's a sausage right here. Can I just take it off or what?
Timer, stop.
Much better.
Oh, finally. Oh my God.
Succulent.
Have you had the corn yet? I
Ooh,
didn't even
that
try
is
the corn.
spicy. Ooh.
It's really beer tasting. Ooh.
Oh, excuse me.
You made a mess.
I like this.
What if it wasn't recording?
Oh, it is.
I said, what if?
Then, oh well, I'm still eating. You saying like, well, we have to redo that part?
Yeah. This shrimp is so tender, it's like I'm double trying to check, is it done?
You serious?
It's done, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I thought it was done. Oh, yeah, look at that. Costco.
Now we can get to the nitty gritty.
Man, I love Costco.
Damn, that shit looks good. Which sauce you want, babe?
Oh, damn, I made a mess. And my fuck.
You can't see it that good.
Well, you can see, it's hard to miss that right there. I didn't know where the actual, oh yeah, oops.
You put some lemon on it?
There's a ton of lemon in this water, or in this juice. Put that right there.
So y'all, have y'all heard the Meek Mill's new album? That shit, it's called Champions or something. That shit is a litty. Like, oh my God.
This shit.
That garlic butter with that lemon. Jesus.
This shit tastes like it should be a living.
Let's do another thumbnail.
Is this all the crab legs? Damn, I don't know what he's doing like that.
I think there's like one or two more.
What kind of shrimps are these?
Some kind of white shrimp.
These motherfuckers is good.
It's just, I don't know what that black stuff is.
Where?
On the shell.
What do you mean? I don't know the difference between shrimps or if a tiger shrimp is bigger than
Oh, it's like a lot of meat in there.
This is what it sounds like in the bedroom. It's like,
Ain't nobody burping.
Oh, I'm not talking about the burp. I'm talking about all the Oop, there we go.
That blindfolded thing really was a challenge. Like, we got to be grateful for our vision. Like, it's so crazy how we take for granted some stuff, like normal stuff that people, some people just don't have, like our senses. Like, we got to be thanking God for that. Imagine if I was blind, I would be married to an ugly motherfucker.
You already? No.
No, I must be blind already. Love is blind, and it'll take over your mind.
I don't know that song.
You don't know that song? I think it's Lauryn Hill. That was really good. I can't eat like how I used to though.
Did I do that? What famous show is that from?
What?
Did I do that?
Did I do that? Steve Urkel?
Yeah, what's the name of the show?
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. That's not it?
No.
What was it then?
Family Matters.
Whatever, same thing.
You trying to say all our shows in the 90s are the same?
I'm a 90s baby.
We used to sing that song on the bus to school, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. The whole bus.
A couple of guys, they were acting not good.
The whole bus.
Babe, you are so Steve Urkel. Why don't you just admit it?
I don't get it.
Y'all, do y'all think, babe, pull my wig down a little, oh, never mind. Do y'all think that Sly is kind of reminds y'all of like Steve Urkel?
They don't even...
From what y'all can see.
No, hell no. I'm not on here talking about technology or nothing. Steve Urkel ain't got no fresh ass PlayStation shoes. I forgot how good beer tastes. That beer is good as... When you're on keto, you can't have... What is it called?
I cannot wait to go back. Ooh, because I can't keep eating like this.
Shit. I can't do keto straight no more. I gotta sprinkle it in.
I think we should do it, but just cheat on the weekends. But do it through the week. Can we do that?
Yeah. You do whatever you say. All I'm saying is...
Whatever I say?
You know, we'll do whatever you say.
Y'all, look at this. All this meat.
You ain't never seen that much meat, huh?
This is bigger than some people's. Be lovely, like wiping hers off. I don't know why. I guess it'd be like fat or something on here.
Wiping it off.
Like this is the fat.
Is it?
I guess so.
Shit, that all look like meat to me.
Love is blind. Oh, but anyway, Meek Mill album, he sampled some of the best songs. Like, oh my gosh, my favorite one is called Oodles and Noodles. That's my favorite song.
Oodles and Noodles?
He sampled, Love can make you oh so happy inside. Ha ha ha. Shade
I don't know. I'm not a huge Meek Mill's fan, but remember that the
Have
album.
you even listened to the album?
What does that have to do with anything? I said I'm not a huge Meek Mill's fan.
Go ahead.
Oh damn! Cut me off. Can I get a word out? But the last album you showed me back when we came back from Afghanistan, that one was okay. There it is.
I'm full.
I just need it. Why you ain't gonna eat this?
Eat it.
You gotta ask me twice.
Why do you have to splash it?
Why do you have to say something?
You're so stupid. You know how you get on somebody's goddamn nerves. Look at how big this potato is.
Ooh.
What?
I'm getting full.
It's so much meat.
When I look at it, I feel like I can eat it all, but then you started eating on it. There's way more meat.
Like I like they be eating. I just can't.
Who we talking about? They who?
You know I watch Mukbang all the time.
Oh. Even the people who film all the time, I'm sure they're not eating like that every day.
Some of them are. What? That's how I know I'm getting weight.
What?
My boobs and stuff.
You need to keep eating.
Stop. This sausage is spicy.
I know. It looked like it's soaked up all that old day.
It's too spicy.
Hey, do this. Let's see if Irma eat it. Ooh.
But yeah, y'all. Went to church today, went to Costco, went to Walmart.
Ooh, that's too spicy.
Got a new little setup in here. We're actually in our dining room because we don't have a dining room set yet, so. I can't wait to edit this vlog.
Why?
It's gonna be good.
What are you gonna put in the background?
I don't know. What do you think?
Something Christmassy.
You think so? The people are gonna be watching this and it's not gonna be Christmas. I don't want it to be limited to just
Well, they'll just know when we ate it in December. Ooh, I'm getting full. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That was weak.
You gonna clean up? I figured that.
I gotta get in bed after this.
It's still hella meat in here.
What else was that shit we supposed to talk about? We're supposed to be having a Christmas party at work. You wanna come?
When?
I think they're shooting for like December 14th, 15th time frame.
Yeah, we can. I can.
You gonna come all the way to Killeen? I came to yours.
Yeah, but you were right here. You weren't barely even working.
Bull. I drove. I left work to come to your party. Ugh! Your hands smell like
No, they don't.
Your hand smells like wet dog.
It's gotta be this shit that I'm eating, nigga. You think your shit smell better? Oh, okay. But
I said it does.
It's hella meat in this knuckle.
Why don't you just cut it? It's easier to just cut that motherfucker out. The mask messed your eye makeup up.
Did it?
Yeah. You look like you've been crying.
Really? Oh well. Why are you eating it like that?
People can hear how crunchy that shit is. I feel like you can hear it. I feel like you can hear it like it was in my ears.
I could.
Yeah.
Love.
Ain't no more. Wait.
Shrimp.
Boom, got him.
Let me put some lemon on it once you peel it.
Put some lemon on it, ho.
Oh, yeah.
You know? Yeah. After this semester, I got one more class left. You want a bite?
What are you doing?
I'm being sexy.
That lemon is, ooh. Come here. Jump. Jump. You can have a piece of sausage.
Tell him to sit or something. Don't just give him stuff for free. You better do a trick for it.
He gonna be shitting fucking fireworks.
Under the bed, and then we'll have to take the whole bed apart.
Alright, y'all, this has been our blinded seafood boil challenge. We are so, babe.
Oh, what, your wig came off? Almost knocked that wig off.
We are so full, and we just want to thank you guys for coming back to our channel once again. This was highly requested, so just thank you. Why are you watching me?
Ooh.
Ermi act like he about to throw up already. So we are so happy that you guys came back, and stay tuned for the next video.
I'm messing up her white shirt. My little hands.
Love you.
Love you too. I want some of this.
That was good.
It was.
I feel like this is a good mukbang. I can't wait to
When Be Lovely was.
So we're heading to La Cantera.
nice little mall. We're gonna just walk around a little bit, see something we like. You know, we buy it. If we don't see nothing we won't buy, because we can buy anything we want. Life is good.
Yes.
So,